If you want to download and back up all of your Gmail emails, this is the safest and easiest way to do it using Google Takeout. This is especially useful if you want a full offline backup, need to move your emails somewhere else, or just want peace of mind knowing your messages are saved. Before we begin, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to takeout.google.com. This is Google's official data export tool, and it lets you download a copy of your account data, including Gmail. Once the page loads, sign in with the Google account that contains the Gmail emails you want to back up. After you're signed in, you'll see a long list of Google products with checkboxes. To make sure you only export your email, click Deselect All. This clears everything so you can choose only the data you actually want. Now scroll down and find Mail. Check the box next to Mail so Gmail is included in the export. After selecting Mail, click All Mail Data Included. This step lets you choose whether you want every email or only specific labels. If you want a full Gmail backup, leave everything selected. If you only want certain folders or labels, such as Inbox or Sent Mail, you can narrow it down here before continuing. Once you've confirmed your selection, click Next Step. On the next screen, you'll choose how you want Google to prepare your backup. For most people, the best option is .zip because it's easy to open on Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. Then choose your file size. If your mailbox is large, smaller file sizes may create multiple download files, which can make them easier to manage. If your mailbox is smaller, a larger file size may keep everything in one archive. After that, click Create Export. Google will now start preparing your backup. Depending on how many emails you have, this can take some time. In some cases, it may take a few minutes, but for larger accounts, it can take hours or even longer. You'll usually get an email when the export is ready, so don't worry if it doesn't download immediately. Once Google finishes preparing the backup, go back to Google Takeout or open the notification email and click Download. Your Gmail backup will download as a zip file to your device. After that, you can store it safely on your computer, an external drive, or cloud storage for extra protection. If you ever need to view your backup, you can extract the zip file and access the exported mail data. And that's it. You've now backed up all your Gmail emails using Google Takeout. This is one of the best ways to keep a secure copy of your email history. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.